In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Pinterest account. So you could do this on the Pinterest application, or you could also do it on the Pinterest website, whatever you are comfortable with. But in the video for today, I'm going to show you how to do this on a Windows 10 PC. So the first thing is get hold of your laptop or your PC and then get onto Pinterest and log into your account. Simple and easy. So whatever accounts you have, business or personal accounts, not a problem. It's the same procedure. Okay. So after you log in, obviously you are going to be directed to your feed page or your home feed. Okay. Here towards the right of your profile icon, the arrow down button, click on that. You get a drop down menu, click on settings, and then you get directed to this page. It's the same on the application also. Here you need to click on account management and then scroll down a bit to the bottom. You're going to see two options to deactivate your account or delete your data and account. If you are a person who is looking forward towards taking a break from Pinterest, maybe you don't want to delete your account, you just want to maybe stop posting pins or stop getting notifications from Pinterest or whatever, you could select the first option to deactivate your account. What is going to happen is that your profile is going to go offline. Obviously your account is going to be active, but your pins or whatever you have posted through Pinterest is going to go offline. It's not going to be visible through any other profiles, or if anybody is searching for pins from your ID, it's not going to be shown to them. You could log in later on and come to this page and reactivate your account again. But if you choose to completely delete your account, you don't want to use Pinterest anymore and you want to get off the website, select the second option, delete account. Once you click on this tab, follow the steps, your account is going to get deleted, and within 7 days, along with your account, all your pins and all your posts that you made on Pinterest is going to get deleted completely. But from the time you request your account to be deleted till 7 days, if you change your mind, you could come back and request your account to be reactivated. If it crosses 7 days, then you cannot reactivate your account. Now, if you have a business account, it is the same thing. But before you go ahead and deactivate or delete your account, what I would suggest is, if you have any payment procedures set up with Pinterest, for example, you may have credit or debit cards attached to Pinterest or maybe your bank account, you need to go ahead and remove those payment instruments. You need to remove the credit card or debit card and then go ahead and request your account to be deactivated or deleted. And also remember one thing, if you have any payments pending, I request you go ahead, complete those payments, and only then you remove your payment instruments and you could request your account to be deactivated or deleted. Simple and easy, right? I hope this video was useful. If you found it useful, hype my videos, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.